First, do the hard reset. Hard reset is push the button at the number A. It will be reset button here. You can through this hole to do the reset. You can do it here. Hold this one all 6 seconds. And then you will hear a beep sound, long beep sound. Then the hardware reset will be set at the default factory 060 digit. When this button B is the open, manual open and close. So you can see the lock is lock. Lock. This is lock. Unlock. When the outer hard reset, it will be 30 seconds to do the auto reset. Default is 30 seconds to do the auto lock. Okay, 30 seconds. So then after this, you can do this one. So this is number this one is go to the lock. Second one is go to the flash LED here. And this one is go to the door sensor. Last one is to the door sensor. So we can do this one here. 哦，开始。